illegally detained Chairman of All Parties Hurriyat Conference Sada-e-Hurriyet Butt and Vice Chairman SHJ&K have extended heartfelt Eid greetings to the Muslims in occupied Jammu and Kashmir and around the world on the auspicious occasion of Eid al-Fitr. Sada-e-Hurriyet Butt and SHJ&K, in their messages from New Delhi's notorious Tihar jail, urged people to arrange special prayers on the Eid day for the release of illegally detained Kashmiri prisoners. The leaders added that for the subjugated Kashmiris and Palestinians, real Eid is when they will achieve complete freedom from illegal occupations. APHC leaders of the Samad Inqilabi, Mushtaqul Islam and Zamruda Habib also extended Eid greetings to the fellow Muslims. As Muslims around the world are either celebrating Eid festival or making preparations to commemorate it tomorrow, occupation forces led by the fascist Modi regime are continuing raids and crackdown operations in Jammu and Kashmir. Indian Army and police in joint operations arrested at least 3 youth in Srinagar and Kolgam districts on concocted charges. Meanwhile, the American Bar Association, in a letter to the Supreme Court of India, conveyed its concern over detention of Kashmiri journalists under Black Law Public Safety Act by Indian forces. The American Bar Association, the world's largest voluntary associations of lawyers and law students, made a particular reference to Srinagar-based journalists Fahad Shah and Sajad Gul and said by re-arresting them and holding them without pre-trial bail under a different charge, the police and prosecutors have challenged the independence of India's judiciary. It maintained that such action violates the basic fundamental principle of India's constitution as well as Principle 2 of the United Nations Basic Principles on the Independence of the Judiciary. The New York-based Committee to Protect Journalists Asia Program Coordinator Stephen Butler, in a tweet, expressed deep concern over the health of another Kashmiri journalist, Asif Sultan, imprisoned in Agra Jail, Uttar Pradesh in India. He asked New Delhi to free him as the authorities have failed to convict him despite putting him 4 years in jail. On the other hand, an Indian soldier was arrested after a live grenade was recovered from his baggage during screening at Srinagar's international airport. In the meanwhile, a trooper died on Tuesday in South Kashmir's Pulwama district. It is being said that the deceased, associated with 182nd Battalion of CRPF, has actually committed suicide, but occupation authorities haven't confirmed it.